Before the world whistled along with Steamboat Willie, Mickey Mouse had already taken off, literally. On May 15, 1928, Plane Crazy premiered as a silent cartoon, marking the true debut of Mickey Mouse. But unlike his iconic steamboat scene, this first appearance nearly vanished into history. Inspired by Charles Lindbergh's daring solo flight across the Atlantic, Plane Crazy features a mischievous Mickey trying to build and fly his own airplane. He crashes, flirts, fumbles, and faces comic chaos, all without a single word spoken. The cartoon was bold, energetic, and full of charm. But there was one problem. No one wanted it. Distributors rejected Plane Crazy, dismissing it as just another animal cartoon in a crowded market. It failed to land a deal, and for a while, Mickey's aviation antics looked like they'd never leave the runway. Then came Steamboat Willie. With synchronized sound and infectious charm, it became a phenomenon, and Mickey Mouse was reborn as a superstar. Only later did Plane Crazy get a second chance, re-released with sound and embraced by fans who finally got to see where it all really began. Today, it's a quirky footnote, overshadowed by Mickey's more famous debut. But Plane Crazy was the first spark of Disney magic that would change animation forever.